Hi everyone, I'm Dylan. In our previous tutorial, I showed you how easy it is to design a logo in GoDaddy Studio. Please check it out if you haven't already. Today I'd like to show you how to start using your logo in your content and other designs. Okay, so first things first, before you export your logo design, make sure you have it on a transparent background by turning the background color off. Your logo might have very specific colors, but for single color logos, it's most practical to export a plain black version, giving you the option for color versions. I'll show you in a second how you can play around with color combinations once you have your logo saved as a graphic. The next most important thing is to ensure you save your logo as a PNG file to retain the transparency. In export settings, make sure you have PNG selected. Aside from exporting with no background color, PNGs are also high enough resolution to use at almost any size. Now your logo should be saved as an image on your device, so let's hop back onto a blank canvas in Studio and open the graphics library. Scroll to the bottom and you'll see your logos folder. Now just tap the plus icon to add your saved logo into your logos folder. Great, so now it's saved in Studio and it's saved as a graphic, which means you can easily resize and recolor your logo. The color palette tool is a great way to easily tap through color combinations using variations of your brand colors. And now with your logo as a graphic, you can of course add it to any background and piece of content or printed collateral in the same way. Simply tap to add from your logos folder. Now all of your designs will look way more professional and help to get your brand's presence out into the world. Try it out for free right now. All the links you need are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.